Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. Today I am here to show you how you can enable watching replays in Fortnite. Before we proceed further, this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. When you open Fortnite, you get this basic lobby as you can see, but what we have to do is to go upper left corner to see 3 lines, then click there. You will see left line of options and you go to options down below. And the new menu is here. You have settings, parental controls, reporting, support and refunds, legal. You go first option settings. After that we have on top various options, but we have to go to the second one. Now after you here, ignore those options here and just scroll down till you find section replays. As you can see here, I'm unable to watch my replays because they are turned off. If you want to have your replays recorded, just turn everything right and go apply, and basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.